So I'm just roughing in the sketch here. Doesn't really matter because I don't want any fine lines or anything. We'll be using the shading tool. So here I go, just leaving enough on the paper to leave the impression of the heart. You don't want to scar the paper by pushing too hard. Nice and clean canvas. So here are the tools I'm using. Some cheap, off Amazon, Royal pencils. You don't need expensive ones. That's why I like teaching in graphite, because it's simple. Inside these mechanical pencils is HB lead, and that shader is how we're going to get a little magic here. We'll start off with sketching. You don't want to hold the pencil too far forward. I like to hold it between my fingers or like this. You want to have a lot of control. The farther back you can hold the pencil, the better. But I need some coffee first. So very lightly, not a lot of pressure with the pencil. Follow the contours of the lines that you just lightly impressionated into the paper. Cross-hatching is the best accurate way to do that, to follow the form. So you'll see here, I'm moving the pencil in a certain one direction. Not pressing hard at all. Here we go, some cross-hatching. So you pull it this way, and it helps you follow the contour of the heart. Bam. And then you're also going to want to cross-hatch, which is basically opposite direction. Gives you more control. More cross-hatching here. And then you slowly work it forward until you get the shape. So I'll shut up and do a little drawing and let you watch. So now it's kind of a repeat of the same process, but on the other side. But you're pulling a shadow. So you're doing the same thing, you're doing the cross hatches. And as you do these cross hatches, you want to do the other side. This creates the form of the shadow for you. As long as your lines and your cross hatches are even. Again, I'll shut up and let you watch. Here I'm using a mechanical eraser. They're everywhere. They're on Amazon, and you get like 3 packs, and you get the refills. They're very cheap. One eraser lasts for a long time. Just carving out here, or erasing out a little bit of reflection. You take your time, do it right, and we're going to go over this whole thing again. I'm gonna bring a little bit of contours inside the other side of the harp. I'm not gonna put any pencil in there. I'm just gonna use the lead that's on the shader. I mean, if you run out of lead and you think you need some more, there's no problem. Just come over and get some and move it around.